Everybody thinks that I lost my mind again, and they're right. But this time it was so much better. I did it in the light. No more nighttime shit for me, no. I got to act right, and you know that's right. I know it's hard to change. It's hard to separate your ego. It's been a long fucking year, but it's worth all the tears, cause I'm here, so I'm just trying to figure out who is me, who am I gonna be though. Hopefully she knows.